Last 2 mornings went to start up my desktop computer. Actually, it's a floor top. That's it on the floor right there. So that means trouble. That's a refurb computer. I didn't pay more than $150 for it 3 years ago. So when it's hard to start up, that means that one's failing. I got to get another computer. I want it here, so when this one fails, I'll have one right next to it to hook up. And I won't lose any files because all my files are on extra drives. I'll just hook those extra drives up. But this is what I'm buying. Refurb HP computer, $160 with Windows 10. I do not like Windows 10. This computer here is Windows 7. I know how to operate Windows 7. I've got another computer that's Windows 10. I do not like Windows 10. It's hard for me to find anything on the computer. And I don't like it because I had to register a password to get into the computer. I have a password registration to get into this. And then it wants information, this Windows 10 I've got, it wants information for me to access the store for Windows 10, to buy stuff. I just keep getting a pop-up every time I start that computer. Please fix your sign-in so we can sell you stuff. That's what I don't like about Windows 10. Anyways, I can't get Windows 7 anymore. So this will be my replacement. Hopefully it gets here before this one fails. It's going to be close. I don't know.